Now, I'm sure you've heard of YouTube before, since if you're viewing this video, you're definitely on the YouTube platform. But did you know that you can actually listen to music on YouTube and get paid every day, every hour, or even every minute? Take a look at this. This is how much money you can make. Listening to one YouTube music could earn you $5. 5 music could earn you $25, and 20 YouTube music a day could earn you $100. All of this could be done in about 5 to 10 minutes with your smartphone or computer, and you could simply repeat the entire strategy. This chance is completely free. No credit card or investment is required. And it doesn't matter if you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Indonesia, or anywhere else in the world. Make sure to watch the video all the way through. A cell will show you a few special tips to multiply your earnings and make 5 times more money than people who do not watch these videos. Make sure you don't miss out on the opportunity with no additional work. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the Money Increase, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. As you can see, the first app you'll want to download is the current app. With this app, you'll be rewarded for listening to music. But later on I'll show you a couple more apps that you can get for free on your phone, and then I'll show you a real-life example of how to use them, what music you should listen to, and a bonus tip that can help you make more money. Make sure you pay attention. And don't skip any parts of this video, because I'll be showing you on YouTube on how you can truly play all of these songs and earn a lot of money online. We go to the main page. You'll notice I want to earn rewards while I'm running, which you can see here. You can do it when you're running, working, or sleeping. In fact, you can do it while the music is still playing in the background and you're still making money. This application is available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. If you have an Android phone here, this is the application's logo. Make sure you're downloading the correct app. It has over 1 million reviews and this app received 4.4 stars. It's an excellent, solid application that's 100% legitimate. Again, this is available on the Google Play Store and then on the iOS App Store, where you can download the same app for your iPhone. Before I show you a real-life example, I'll demonstrate how to play music and how to choose the greatest music that will pay you the most money. In fact, this app has over 100,000 radio stations, one of which is YouTube. You can listen to music online or even while you're not connected to the internet. You do not need to pay any money to begin using this application. It is completely free and you may earn points by listening to your favorite music, which you can later convert into real money. So once you've downloaded the app from the Google Play Store, you could now start listening to YouTube music on the radio stations. When you go into your account, you can notice something like this. Pay attention, since this is only one of the ways to get money while playing music. I'll show you 2 methods for making money while playing music. Continue watching and I'll show you a few more tips that can help you make 3 times, if not 4 times more money than the other person. This is the homepage for YouTube Music. You can find a lot of music, a lot of playlists, and a lot of artists. If you scroll down below, there are a lot of recommended music that you can choose from and can be played on YouTube Music together with the current web page. When these 2 applications are combined, you're able to make a profit on autopilot. So now I'm going to show you a real-life demonstration. I'm offering you an example of one of the playlists on which I have been particularly focused on, and I'm able to listen to these. There is actually a lot of music on the queue. Once these songs are done playing, they will automatically move on to the next song and so on, and they will be able to play all of the songs right here and now, and that will be paid for each and every one of them. When you're able to loop the playlist, the magic happens when you hover your mouse over this icon in the bottom right-hand corner and select the repeat button, meaning that once these playlists have finished playing from the first song all the way down to the last song, it will automatically hop back to the first song and replay it. allowing you to earn money over and over. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video thus far, and if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Let's go back to the video. The bonus tip I want to give you is to make sure you have a lot of music queued up. As you can see, I have roughly 20 songs lined up to generate money faster. The second piece of advice I can give you is that when you go to the main page, you'll notice these hot lists. When you click on the hot list, you'll be taken to a page with higher quality, more recommended videos and music videos to view. I strongly advise you to select one of these videos because they will pay you more money from the current app. You can sing and synchronize your YouTube music with this application so that you can get paid when you play the music on YouTube. This is the first approach to making money while playing music. The second way, which I'm going to show you right now, is one with which you're much more familiar. Perhaps you view YouTube videos every day and you're doing so right now, and that you are aware that they can play videos and music videos. For instance, Pop Hits, 2020 Top 40 Popular Songs. You may listen to music playlists like this for an hour and make money over and over by simply repeating the process of listening to all of these songs. So what I'm presenting you right now is a real-life example. You can see here that this is the only tab in my Google Chrome browser that is open. So now I'm going to open another tab to listen to more music, and then the third tab to listen to more YouTube music. Right now I have 3 tabs open in my browser. So again, here is a bonus tip that I'll provide you by opening many tabs. You can listen to music and earn money over and over. And I'm going to give you more of some short ideas right now that will help you make even more money. So first and foremost, when you go to YouTube, you can play music that is at least 1 hour long, because the longer the music is, the more money you can make. The second tip is to click on the settings button, which is located on this page. By default, the speed may be normal, but when you double the speed will be twice as fast. You should select 2, which indicates the music can be played twice as fast. The more music you listen to, the more money you will make. Here's another tip. You can actually reduce the quality to 144 by turning off quality. That implies that even if your internet connection is slow, or if you have a lot of people using your internet Wi-Fi, you can listen to music because you'll be playing it on numerous tabs. It is critical that you limit the quality to 144p so that your internet is not consumed and you can do other things. I'm not going to show you the final bonus check, which is a new Google Chrome extension. YouTube Playback Speed Control. As shown here, you cannot download this on your Google Chrome browser, your computer, or your phone. It's completely free and are currently over 80,000 users. So when you download the Google Chrome browser, the magic happens. You may play this on your phone at 3 times the normal speed because YouTube only allows for 2 times the normal speed. You can play at 3 times the speed or triple the speed. When you use the Google Chrome extension, you may control the speed on the top right-hand corner as shown here. You can raise a playback speed by pressing the pause button or lower the playback speed by pressing the decrease button. Now that you have downloaded this extension, you can make a lot of money since you can play music on the YouTube platform as well as the YouTube Music platform much faster. So once again, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store to download these apps. Or if you have an iPhone, go to the App Store to download the Current Rewards offline music app. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.